Hello everyone. Today I am interviewing my lovely English tutor, Karakat Polatova, for my philosophical course. And I want to explore questions like how language shapes the way we think and see the world. And also, some people say that the limits of their language is limits of their worlds. And I want to know what my teacher thinks of it. And also to start, I want to send her and give her first my question. Karakat Bulatova, why you decided to teach English?
Thank you, Eleonora. I'm very happy to be here. I started to teach English because I really love English, and I think it's a really powerful way to share and understand each other better. I'm really happy when I see my students learn to express themselves and discover new perspectives.
So, my next question will be related to philosophy. What is a language we speak can change the way we think and see the world?
Yes, I think so. Language isn't just about words, it's also a new way of thinking. For example, some languages have words or feelings that don't exist in other languages. When we learn those words, we start to understand new things and even feel more clearly. So, language helps us notice more things around us.
That's really interesting. It sounds like a pair of glasses helping us to see world in new different way. Have you noticed it in your classes with students from different backgrounds?
Yes, of course, I do see it. Students from different cultures sometimes see things in a story or a poem that others might not notice. They have different ideas about the same text because their language and the culture have given them different ways of thinking. It's a reminder that each language offers its own view of the world.
That's such a cool idea. Learning language gives us a new point of view how we see the world. Do you think teaching English is like teaching students to see the world in different new way?
Yes, exactly. Learning a new language isn't only about words and the grammar, it's also about learning a new way to think and talk about things. For example, when students learn English, they see new things to express feelings and ideas which can expand how they understand themselves and others.
It makes sense that learning language is personal. How do you help your students to feel themselves while they speak English? Because English is their not first language.
So that's really interesting question. I encourage my students to use their own experiences while speaking or writing in English, and also I try to create a friendly environment where they can express themselves or share their own ideas freely.
That's really interesting. Do you think that learning new language can change who we are and impact on our identity?
Yes, I think so. When we learn a new language, we just don't learn new words or grammar. We also learn new ways to think and feel. We grow and understand more about ourselves and about the world. So it's like we open a door to a new world.
Thank you, Karakat Polatova. This conversation was so mind-blowing to me. I understand that language is not just a tool, it's a way how we see the world and we think. And I want to thank you for sharing your ideas with me.
Thank you, Eleonora. I am glad that I could share my love for language with you, and I hope this helps you see language and the philosophy in a new way.